Today I want to talk to you about surfing equipment. I'm going to talk about two things in particular. I'm going to talk about the deck pad and I'm going to talk about the fins. The first thing with the deck pad, it's there to give you a firm platform so you don't slip. And it's not just that you don't slip. It's actually, if you look at the deck pad, it's actually raised so that your back foot is higher than your front foot, and that means that you can apply more pressure on your back foot in the turns, and that's why you have, and this is raised to fit your the heel of your foot. The advantage of using a tail pad is that if you're too far forward, you know you're too far forward, and you're not on the tail pad, and it's a feeling on your feet, and you step it back. You've got a kick pad right at the back here, and that means that you know that's the extremity where your back foot can go. This is for advanced surfers to go this far back. If you didn't know you could go too far back, and there's leverage on this, and you can kick on this. So the high performance maneuvers, they're using this to lock their foot in. So the tail pad, it's not just about your back foot not slipping, it's giving you a platform to do your turns off, and it's helping you with your free positioning. One of the rules of surfing is don't look down on your feet. The tail pad is helping you to feel it. The other thing I want to talk about quickly is the fins. And if you look at the shape of the fins here, you will see that they're all facing towards the nose of the board, and that's helping with the flow of the water. So the difference between intermediate and advanced surfers is that the intermediate surfers will ride on the flats of the board, right? They're riding on the surface of the board, but an advanced surfer is riding on the rail. When you're riding on the rail of the board, what happens is that you just have one fin that's engaged, and that means that you have much less drag, much less water resistance from the three fins. I used to think that the advantage of the riding on the rail, why the board goes much better on the rail. The reason it goes much better on the rail is that there's less contact with the wave. You're riding just on this part of the board, so it's faster, it's more maneuverable, and you're getting lift from the fin that's engaged. It's called hydrodynamic lift, and that gives you the performance. You want to be riding generally on the waves, you want to be riding rail to rail, rail to rail. Don't stay riding on the bottom of the board. And when you're riding rail to rail, that's when you transition from an intermediate surfer to an advanced surfer.